Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to remove this sun visor clip from a Peugeot 207. So first of all, you have this cover that have pins that go inside the sun visor. So all you need to do is like remove it. You can see it very easy. I did it with my hand, and now you can see we have those two pins that get into those holes and like open up the holder here. So you can see it's with your hands. See the pins over here, making sure that it won't move, and that's it. This is how we remove the sun visor clip. If you need more parts from a Peugeot 207, please contact us with the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos on how to test a simple part from the Peugeot 207 or 307, you're more than welcome to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.